On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix followers count freeze on Instagram. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is actually very easy. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager like this. Open the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So all what you have to do is scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Now all what you have to do is click on this option right here and then click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, go back, click on the data usage and then disable all those options and enable them again, then click on the power usage details, make sure that this option is enabled. Last thing you want to do is open the Play Store and make sure to update your Instagram into the latest version to fix the freeze on your followers count. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.